In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your WooCommerce website to your mobile phone. If you're running an online store, having the ability to manage it directly from your mobile device is a game changer. It allows you to stay on top of orders, track inventory, and manage customer interactions, all while you're on the go. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to make the process simple and straightforward, so even if you're not super tech-savvy, you'll be able to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have your WooCommerce store connected to your phone, giving you the freedom and flexibility to manage your business anywhere, anytime. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your browser and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for managing your website. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that, and then select Add New. This is where we'll find and install the tool we'll need to connect your website to your mobile device. Now, in the search bar located in the top right corner, type the word Jetpack. Once the results load, look for the plugin named Jetpack WP Security Backup Speed and Growth. This is the one we need, as it provides the essential connection between your WooCommerce store and the mobile app. When you've found it, click the Install Now button and wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once it's installed, click Activate to get it up and running on your site. After activating the plugin, you'll see a button that says Set Up Jetpack. Click that to get started. At this point, Jetpack will ask you to log in with your WordPress.com account. If you already have one, simply enter your credentials. If you don't, no problem, you can create a free WordPress.com account by following the on-screen instructions. It's a quick process, and once you're logged in, Jetpack will automatically complete the connection process to link itself to your website. And just like that, your website is now ready to communicate with the WooCommerce mobile app. Next, let's move over to your mobile device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is essentially the same. Open the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and look for the official app developed by Automatic. That's the company behind WordPress and WooCommerce. Once you've found the app, download and install it onto your device. This will only take a minute or two. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen. Here, tap the Login button to get started. The app will prompt you to enter your website's full URL. For example, if your store's website is https://yourstore.com, type that in and then tap Continue Next. Select the option to log in with your WordPress.com account. Remember, this is the same account you used earlier to connect Jetpack to your website. Enter your credentials, and the app will take care of the rest. Now, the WooCommerce app will detect your connected store automatically. It might take a few moments to sync everything, but once it's done, you'll have full access to your store dashboard right from your phone. From here, you can manage orders, view customer details, check your inventory, and much more, all with just a few taps. And that's it? You've successfully connected your WooCommerce website to your mobile phone. This setup will save you time and keep your store at your fingertips, whether you're at your desk, running errands, or even on vacation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.